What's the meaning of curriculum vitae? Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae.
Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae is a Latin phrase that means course of life. It is commonly shortened to CV and refers to a document that summarizes an individual's academic and work history, as well as their achievements and qualifications. A CV typically includes information on education, employment history, skills, publications, research experience, awards, and references. It is used by job seekers to apply for academic or professional positions, and is often requested by employers as part of the recruitment process. A well-crafted CV can help set one apart from other candidates and increase the chances of landing a desired job or position.